Hello, my name's Rob Luther and I'm with ForceFlix.com. I am here to talk to you a little bit about the Joomla content management system. And for those of you that don't know what a content management system is or who are not familiar with Joomla, basically a content management system will allow you to manage all the content on your website through a back-end interface such as the one you see here. And it will also allow you to do it without knowing any kind of coding like HTML, JavaScript, or things like that. So basically, you have other people that did all that work for you, and you get to just worry about what's on your website. It'll also let you have users that can add content, and you can basically approve that content before it's published. So basically, as far as Joomla is concerned, we have some basic controls over here on the site side. We have a menu section where we can create and edit the menus of the website. The content or the web pages in the website, Joomla refers to them as articles. So each article would represent basically a web page. They can be organized into sections and categories. Front page is what you would see on the index.php or your root home page. Components are different add-ons that let you expand the Joomla content management system, and this is how you manage all that expansion. Tools, different features in here, but really what we're going to worry about right now is the menu and the content. So if we want to create or edit a menu, let's start out with our main menu here. Basically, I have a stripped down installation of Joomla. I took all the content out of it just specifically so that I can show you guys what it is and what it does. So right now this is the main menu, and as you can see I have the home page. So basically that's the only thing I have in my menu right now. So if I want to add a new menu, come up here on the right side of the screen, there's a button, new button, edit, trash, copy. These are all different things here. Let's click on new. So we're going to add a new menu item. Now what we do now is, you know what, I can't do this right now. Hold on. Got to cancel. I also delete all the articles, so in order to make it have something to link it to, which would be an article, since I delete I have to create one. So let's do that first. What we're going to do here is we're going to type in our article name, and we'll call this Joomla Part 1. Okay, so that's the title. That'll go up on the title bar up in here. It'll be Joomla Part 1. And my URL, which I'll actually not use this a whole lot because I have another thing that will let me control those better. But for now, I'll just call it Joomla Part 1. Basically, this would be used to construct the URL. So those of you that are very search engine conscious, you want to keep that in mind. Okay, and right now, because I don't have any sections or categories created, I'll have to make that uncategorized. Okay, then there's some other features over here that we'll get into later. For those of you, again, that are into search engine type stuff, you got your description and keywords over here. So this is our editor right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is go, if I could type Joomla Part 1. Okay, we're going to highlight that. I want to make that H1 tag. Okay. So you see we have Joomla Part 1. Okay. Now that's all we're going to do as of right now. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to save this. Now you can see Article Manager. There's our article, Joomla Part 1. So now let's go add a menu item to our main menu. New menu item. We're going to add an article. Come up here, we're going to select our article. You see this nice little window comes up here. Select Joomla Part 1. Okay, let's type in a title. Joomla Tutorial Part 1. Okay, and it'll automatically fill in an alias for us. So let's save that. That's fun. Now if we go back to our main page right here, right now, okay, home, main menu, home, that's all we have, right? So but now once we refresh it, come down here, tutorial part 1, click on that, and tutorial part 1. Obviously there's not a whole lot of content in it right now, but we'll fix that later. So that is the basics, part 1, how to add a menu item and a page to Joomla.